Today on Travel Hodgepodge, I'm going to introduce a new video series called Minute Mondays. On Minute Mondays, we will discuss various things such as a hotel review, a quick travel tip, maybe discuss a new Disney product, or, like today, a restaurant review. And we will do all of this in just 1 minute. So welcome to the inaugural Minute Monday. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a fast one. Today our restaurant review is going to be of Din Tai Fung's. The location we went to was in Southern California. So let's get going. We're going to put 60 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. Din Tai Fung's is their classic Taiwanese dim sum restaurant. We started with a bold earthy shumai consisting of pork, glutinous rice, and mushrooms, followed by its savory sibling with pork and shrimp. Next up, some greens, which is great if you're a rabbit, followed by this crispy, juicy, tender fried pork chop. The noodles with pork sauce was not my favorite. I suggest the fried rice instead. The shrimp and pork wontons with spicy sauce is easily my favorite dish at Din Tai Fung. The subtle heat is complemented by a mild sweetness, making a perfect combination with the savory wonton. I highly, highly recommend this dish. Finally, the dumpling that made Din Tai Fung famous, the Xiao Long Bao, sometimes called the Shanghai Long Bao, is a tiny dumpling filled with a piping hot soup. Each dumpling is rolled by hand, then the dumpling is filled with a pork mixture with a savory soup that has been gelatinized to hold together long enough to fill the dumpling. Once the dumpling is steamed, the soup becomes liquid again and then is served hot.
Wasn't that really hot?
Really good.
And that's going to do it for our first Minute Monday. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And if you are watching on Facebook, I'd really appreciate it if you would like and share this video and follow my Facebook page.